Hello everyone, it's Ehsan here. Even though you are seeing GTA 5 on the screen, but for today I'm not going to play the GTA 5, or I'm not talking about the GTA 5. I will be teaching you tricks about GTA 5. Okay, then let's get started. Some of you may have already purchased or got the GTA 5 as completely free from Epic Store. Actually, there was a sale or there was a giveaway happening in the Epic Store. They were literally giving away the game completely free. If you see here, it's showing I have already owned the GTA 5. If you want to buy it for now, it will cost you around 25 US dollar. But I didn't pay anything. I just got the GTA 5 completely free. There was a sale or giveaway happening. Okay, let's say you have purchased or you have got the game, you want to download the game. But the problem is the file size is pretty big. It's almost 90 gigs. So if you don't have a strong internet connection, but something happened during the download time, like you need to do a restart or your computer do the shutdown by any means, what will happen? Today I am going to talk about how you can resume the download easily within this launcher. This is the Epic Games launcher. In here, if you go to library, you can already see I am installing the game. If you go to downloads, it's showing like I have already downloaded around 45 gigs out of 94 gigs. Sorry, I said it was 90 gigs. My mistake. So what will happen if I want to pause the download and I want to resume? So now I'm trying to pause the download. You see it's already paused, and if I want to resume, just simply press the resume button. You see it's just started right away. Nothing happened actually, but sometimes the download might not resume. Sometimes it will give some issue, and the most important question is, if the computer ran out of power, what will happen? So now we are going to shut down the computer and we will see what will happen. The restart is completed. Now let's see what will happen in the Epic Game Launcher. So now we are going into the Epic Game Launcher. So if we go into the downloads, it's showing you have no task. If we go to library, we'll simply say that I can resume the download. So if I press resume, it will be started right away. It will say please wait, then it will be installing or downloading the files just right away. So if we go to downloads, it will be showing that the game is being downloaded in full speed. But let's say even though it's being downloaded in full speed, but what will happen if it's not downloaded? So let's get into our library again. So here in the library it's showing is downloading. Okay, let's say it's not being showing that it's downloading. So there is a solution. The solution is very simple and smooth. What you need to do, you again go to the download option. If you see that the pause option, then press the pause. Okay, and if you don't see the pause option, okay, and assume that we are not seeing the pause option even here. So go to library again. There is a button just behind the installation, a pause button. If you press here, the game will be paused again. So what you need to do, go to your task manager and then look for the Epic Game Launcher and then press in task. So now we have already ended the task, and if you come here and there is no Epic Game Launcher here, so the Epic Game Launcher is completely stopped. Now restart the Epic Game Launcher again. Wait for a moment, it's being started. Okay, if you restart the Epic Game Launcher again, if you see the downloads here, there's no download obviously, but if you go into the library, you can simply press resume. So if I press resume, it will be started right away. So this is the tricks I have found in the internet. Like, I have also researched a lot. It's not supposed to give you any issue resuming the installation. It's completely simple, straightforward. But if it doesn't start automatically, this is the only way you can try. And even though it's not started by a simple one try, you can try it twice, thrice, or many times it takes to resume it, because the game's file is to be honest really big. The game file is like around 94 gigs, but in here you can see like I have around 48 gigs left because I have already done the 40%. So it will be resumed. And if it's not resumed, let me know in the comment box below. I will be trying to find another tricks and I will update you in the very soon. That's all for today. If you like my video, please hit the like button. If you like the videos I'm making, if you want to see my future updates, hit the subscribe button. Stay connected. Actually, I make videos on Bangladesh, on Malaysia, and also different kinds of technological things. So as usual, see you next Monday.